Do you need a turbo timer? To answer this, we first have to understand what the purpose of a turbo timer actually is. A turbo timer is a device which keeps the engine running for a predetermined amount of time after you have turned the key to your car off. It does this to allow the turbocharger time to cool down before the engine shuts off. The reasoning behind this is because oil is what cools the turbocharger, and if you let the car idle after pushing it hard, the oil has time to cool down, which by extension also cools the turbo. This can prolong the life of your turbo and also prevent oil sludge buildup. So do you need one? Chances are you don't need a turbo timer if your car is your daily driver. This is because you probably never push the car hard enough on the streets to the point where you need to cool your turbo down. Now, if you have a heavily modified street car or a dedicated track or drift car, there's a much higher chance you would benefit from a turbo timer. For example, if you just got done doing highway pulls in your 1000 horsepower Supra, which I don't condone, or you were just banging off the rev limiter in your turbocharged drift car, then yes, a turbo timer would help you out. However, a free alternative to a turbo timer is just to let your car idle a little before you shut it off. This achieves the exact same thing a turbo timer does. So if you were on the fence about getting a turbo timer for your stock 2015 WRX, I recommend saving the $200 and just go getting yourself some more vape juice.
That was a joke. I'm a big fan of WRXs.
And one final thing, if your car is naturally aspirated, you 100% do not need a turbo timer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if this video taught you something new. Thanks!